welcome to Siri Creation Videos. In this video, I am going to discuss about child marriages. So, what is child marriages actually? So, if you come to girls before 18 years, it's a child marriages. If I come to boys before 21 years, it is a child marriage. So, these child marriages is rapidly increasing in these days. So boys or either girls if before 21 of the girl, boys or before 18 of the girl, anyone in this one decrease the age of 18 or 21, that is considered as a child marriages. So even though girl or boys, if they are marrying before that age, it is considered as child marriage. So coming to here, the effects they will face. So 3 in 4 girls having children before the age of 18. Oh my god, because of the fertility rate of in this age, it's very rapid. So in this time, if they get married, they will give child to soon. So coming to here, they missing their likelihood of girls. Also, they are affecting the reduces the earnings of child by 9%. Also, they are facing the domestic violence, whom they are depending upon them, so they are facing the violence. So whereas coming to here, 37,000 girls under the age of 18 are married each day. Under the age of 18 are married each day. We now have the greatest number of married girls and girls at risk of child marriage than ever before. 1 in 3 girls in the developing world are married before 18, 1 in 9 are married before the age of 15. If present trends continue, more than 140 million girls will be married before the age of 18. So there are 5 reasons why it's still happening. I will explain, but the reasons who is encouraging it and who is also doing it also get punished for 2 years of imprisonment and also 1 lakh of fine. So this who is encouraging, from which institution it is encouraging, who are the reason and who are the elders. Everyone will be act of 2006 of Act Indian Constitution. They are getting arrested and also punishment will be given. So be careful who are making that. 2006 of Act in 1929 it will be there, but it is not it in 2006. Only girl's mother and girl and father, boy's father are not responsible for this punishment. Have a maturity to face the problems. It's a very situation and a rare a one which is the happiness you are destroying from them. Whereas coming to here, that in 1600s they will say that after 12 years girl says that she's an elder, she's eligible for marriage. But soon in 1700s occupied the whole country, and it is that saying that who are the unmarried girl they are encouraging and them taking them out and outing them from their homes without their parents, and if the permission is taken they are offering something to them and taking the unmarried girls. So with these fears, parents are doing married to the well-known persons who are more age from a girl. So that is a child marriage actually. 12, 13, 11, 15, they can't know anything, which is an inability to face the situations. So from that it is continued, but after the 1926 year act, 1929 act of Indian Constitution, so it is totally collapsed. They are not encouraging for these child marriages. So several problems will be arised from there. So everyone are encouraged to not to do child marriages. So but the main problem is childbirth here. Childbirth is a very 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 worst experience before 18 years. So they are facing a lot of problems. So but they are dying after they giving birth, or dying baby, and also the mother also, both are dying. So what is the reason? Because they have not ability to carry the baby, so it's a very sensitive part of the developing a baby. So a lot of other infections and health problems and mentally unable to do anything, so it's other situations here. So what is America and India? Can you see the difference? So that is the difference between America and India. So they are encouraging girls to marry in India. So whereas see this USA from 1990 or 1980s, they are stopping child marriage, rapidly decreasing of child marriage. So because of increasing of technology and educating and empowering the girls and making this independent life, that makes the girls to be depend on themselves. And education is one of the most one which avoid everything. So don't do this, and domestic violence is increasing. So 46% between, so up to here 46% it will fallen in India, but it is okay. But in this during COVID-19 pandemic, it's rapidly increasing. To search 2005 to 2009, it is decreased to 46% of the marriaging. So here see in 16 years old Aarti Mukhia, a bright class 8 student at a municipal school in Alwal. My family is encouraged to marry 30 years old. So 14 years difference of them. She is a teenage told that from Alwal. My mother saying marriage is more important than education, no matter how many degrees you do. So this is the Aarti Mukhia story I want to share with you. 16 years old one, a bright class 8 student at a municipal school in Alwal. So her mother is encouraging that grocery and so didn't ask for any dowry. So that is a good chance. No, we had to spend very little on the wedding also due to pandemic. The teenager told this corresponding over phone from Alwal. So this is a very very bad situation. So they are saying that no matter I earn, ultimately I will end up running my household and rearing kids only. So 30 years of that, a man is saying to Aarti that he will take care of everything, but she is nothing. She just give away kids only. So Aarti has been conditional to believe that education is of little help in improving the lot of the poor like her. So even though she would have rather continued school if possible, she tried the not with a man 14 years her senior without as much as protest, even though marriage at her age is not legal. So this is a very bad situation I am facing by these days. So the reason only that she is saying it's a COVID-19 tally. So what is this understand by her words is India's COVID-19 tally is the world's third highest. Now a toxic cocktail of the ranking pandemic, rampant job losses during the lockdown and the closure of schools for months has had been impacting on girls and also boys. So what the parents is thinking, it's a less dowry to Aarti, and also what they are discussing, the wedding also not to do with a lot of people, and just it's a very simple, so get married. But she's a only 8th class standard. She's a bright student. She has a dreams to do something. So she has a many dreams, and she wanted to see in life many situations she have to face to come into marriage life. So what she's saying, she's not at all not to do that and not but legal. In this COVID-19, she is encouraged and forced by their parents. So what is happening? So next day, what is that? What is the use of it? So just only disadvantages is there. So there is no any advantages with the child marriages. So just they are facing the problems with the child household. So what he is saying, his husband, so okay, I am is there, I will take care about the household, you just give me kids. So it's a very very silly. So what I am saying, that girls have power to empower, so they have to come out. They should not sit at home. They have a talent, they have everything, they have a knowledge, improve it, and they have to depend on her legs, so not to depend on others. It makes a domestic violence which we have to face. How many years we have to face these problems? So from 1,000 years of everyone is facing these problems, and is still encouraging the child marriages in India. So stop this encouragement. Who are encouraging the child marriages? Who are doing the child marriage? Who is okay for the child marriages also? According to boy's father and girl is not responsible for this law. So domestic violence is one of the badly affected to child marriages. At home they can't do it. They have to give birth for children, they have to take care about their children and have to take care about husband, and they have not a maturity to in this age, so they have a lot of experience. Because if she educated, she can understand everything, but if you do early, what she can have to understand. See the bar graph, you see that how the increasing rate of the girls marriages and domestic violence is increasing. Can you see here? It's the only reason that you are getting early. So that there is a many reasons is there. Poverty is a main and causes the child marriages 30% of the Togolese population. So health issue also is one of the main, 50% life expectancy rate. So poverty and health issues are the two main reasons and top reasons to early marriages. So who are the poverty persons and who are the poverty categories? They are encouraging